Today I'm doing sword fight PvP. Let me explain the rules. I cannot change my weapons while I'm in Dead Man's Island. If I do, I lose my kill progress. My goals for today's video, get 10 kills. 2 kills in a row. I cannot die between the 2 kills. Mic is muted because I don't want them to hear me. Probably on that big ship over there. First check. He's right there. How'd you miss the bunder block?
Hello there.
Come here, buddy. Aw, you do. All you do. Yeah, come here, buddy.
Please, Pete, I need this!
Yeah, come here. What? I'm at 1 health. If he doesn't kill me... Oh, he's loading! Come on, I can't let him load! Go. He's in the cannon. This is gonna be the hardest challenge ever with the blunderbuss kid. Come here! Come here, buddy. What did I do? Alright, I have a plan to assassinate this guy. Oh my god, I did it! I'm gonna grab some health potions. We're ready for our next journey. Assassinate! 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 Go! Boom! 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 1! That's 1! That's 2!
You doing?
Ow! That's over a level 2.
Look at yellow.
Get a load of this
Another
guy.
kill would be crazy.
Dead. I am the special boy. Dead. Oh! This kid's in awe! Dead!
That's me!
Yeah, come here, bro! Come here! I almost got him! Yes!